So can you start your own recruiting business from the comfort of your home? And the answer is 100% yes. That's what I currently do. I work out of my house. I operate my recruiting business, ConnectGen, as well as Recruitemy. And here's the beautiful thing about starting your own staffing and recruiting business. The overhead is very minimal. That's why it's so attractive. That's why it's really the ultimate side hustle that I could ever think of. I have so many members that start with Recruitemy that are currently maintaining their 9-to-5 corporate job, and they moonlight their staffing business from home after hours, at lunch break, or on the weekends. This can be done. There's no inventory, parts, pieces, warehouse costs, transportation costs when you own a recruiting business. It's human capital. The gross profits are extremely high and your expenses are extremely low. So there's a lot of advice out there from recruiting coaches that will tell people when they first start to only charge 5, 10, 15%. I wholeheartedly disagree with that theory. There's no reason you should not be pitching 25 to 30%, even from day one when you start your recruiting business, because this is a B2B sale and traditional companies will pay these fees. It's not like a foreign number to them. They're used to these type of fees, and there's really no reason to undercut the market or leave money on the table. So if I was just starting out with my recruiting business from home, what I would do is get Sales Navigator on LinkedIn, which is gonna cost you about $100 a month. You can actually get a 30-day free trial to save some money. I would then use the NPC strategy, most placeable candidate strategy, that you see right here. These are web pages that we create and that you can create on your own too, where you market these candidates out to a targeted list of clients that you're gonna filter and find on Sales Navigator. That is the best way to start your recruiting business. Go with the candidates first, find a phenomenal A-player passive candidate that you can then market to a targeted list of companies. Maybe get a Dream 50 list or a Dream 100 list of target companies and hit them every day with in-mails, video messages, text messages, etc., until you land your first client. Hope that helps, guys.